Tomatoes are coming on. Nice little bunches forming everywhere. I've taken some of the leaves away so that it gets plenty of sunshine and plenty of air. Hello again. Plenty of air. So they're all coming up on all three of my tomato plants here. These are all the normal little round ones. Yay! Little tomatoes. They seem to be doing very fine. Courgettes there, and then over here, and we've got the nice beefsteak tomatoes. They're coming up too. 1, 2, 1 down there, 3, 4. Any more? Let's have a look. Any more for any more? Oh, there's one. Nice little one there. Oh, there's a nice big one there, look. Wow, that looks really good. And then some little ones here. And another big one. So, looks like they're all doing pretty fine. What I've got is with the fences that we put up the other day, the panels, it's now giving the plants a little bit of shade too, which obviously the cat is enjoying very much as well, having his little wash, morning wash. And here's the other one. So I've got plenty of little flowers which are coming up, which are great because they'll then turn into tomatoes for me. So doing quite well, fairly pleased with those. Lovely, looking forward to a nice tomato harvest. How are your tomatoes doing? Why don't you show me?